Magandang araw po sa lahat. Welcome to algrutztv. On this video, we're going to show you the new aiwa 82 inches Ultra HD TV. This is our showroom display here in Bigawan. So first, open the locks, the plastic locks. Just pull up. It's around 6 pieces of lock from back and the front of the box. So we're going to hang the TV in this particular TV rack in our display showroom. The bracket is already installed, so we're just going to install the bracket part that we're going to fix at the back of the TV. So guys, when you install this kind of TV, this kind of big TV, at least you're 2 to 3 person. Guys, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos and tutorials. So this aiwa TV is an Android TV. It's 2021 model on the N series. The price range around $2,000. Okay, now I'm going to install the bracket. So we have two metal bracket that we're going to install to this aiwa TV. One from the right side and one from the left side of the TV. This one is easy to install, just using the standard screwdriver and two screw for one bracket. Okay, I'm done with the first one. Then now the second. Okay, I'm done. So now ready to hang. Okay, so guys, at least 2 to 3 person, because this TV is a bit heavy. So guys, when you're doing this, be careful not to put pressure on the LCD. It might damage the screen. If you bought this TV, I recommend and suggest ask the professional installer to do this kind of job, because the TV screen is so fragile. So make sure that everything will goes smooth and no damage at all. Okay, time to do some initial setup. So this is our remote control for this aiwa 82-inch. 2 pieces of AAA battery. Okay, so this is our remote control. Very simple design, and okay, let's do the initial setup. To do this, you need only the aiwa remote control. Just operate in the middle, using the arrow left and right, and the center for enter. Okay, so this is the interface, guys. This aiwa N series is running in Android 9.0. Resolution of Ultra HD with the standard frame rate. So this is only the initial setup. Maybe in the next video we're going to do more testing on the picture quality and sound quality. So let's just check the applications. Okay guys, that's all. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.